Your body replaces itself every 7 years, or does it? You've probably heard the claim, every 7 years, you become a completely new person. It's a fascinating idea, like getting a biological reset button. But is it true? Well, yes and no. Your body is in constant motion. Not just on the outside, but at the microscopic level. Cells are dying, dividing, and being replaced every second. But here's the twist. Some parts of you are brand new, and others are as old as you are. Let's start with the fastest turnover, your intestinal lining. It replaces itself every 2 to 5 days. Why? Because it's constantly under attack from stomach acid, food, and microbes. The skin you're in? You shed and replace it about every 2 to 4 weeks. Red blood cells, the tiny couriers carrying oxygen through your veins, last only about 4 months before they're recycled in your spleen. Even your taste buds have a short lifespan. Most last just 10 to 14 days. So technically, the mouth you're using today isn't quite the same one you had 2 weeks ago. But now let's slow things down. Bones seem permanent, but even they're constantly remodeled. Old bone tissue is broken down and replaced with new material. On average, your skeleton is completely renewed every 10 years. And then, there are the lifers. Your eye's lens cells are the same ones you've had since birth. The same goes for most of your neurons in the cerebral cortex. Those memories, those thoughts, they're running on hardware that's been with you since day one. Your heart muscle cells? Many will be with you for decades, some for life. This means that while much of you is constantly refreshed, there's an original core that never changes. A living archive of your entire existence. And here's something even stranger. Every time your body rebuilds itself, it doesn't do it perfectly. Tiny mutations, chemical changes, and environmental effects accumulate. You're not just new every few years. You're an updated version, with subtle differences each time. So the myth of every 7 years you're brand new oversimplifies the truth. In reality, some cells last days, some last years, some last a lifetime. You're a mosaic of the ancient and the fresh. A walking timeline of biological change. So, are you the same person you were 7 years ago? Physically, not entirely. But in the ways that truly define you, some parts of you have been here since the very start. Like your mind blown by facts like this? Subscribe for more weekly science that changes how you see yourself and your world.